Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Research Sciences. I Shruti Khanna here with a new YouTube video about MCQ on cybersecurity. So let's begin with MCQ number 1. Which of the following is considered as the unsolicited commercial email? Options are first virus, second malware, third spam, and fourth all of the above. And the answer is 3, that is spam. It is type of unsolicited email which is generally sent in bulk to an indiscriminate recipient list for commercial purposes. Generally spam is type of email which are considered unwanted because most of users don't want these emails at all. Question number 2. In which of the following a person is constantly followed or chased by another person or group of several peoples? Option 1 phishing, option 2 bullying, option 3 stalking, option 4 identity theft. And the correct answer is option number 3, that is stalking. Generally, the stalking is act referred to continuously giving surveillance to any person without their consent. That is, in general, stalking refers to continuous surveillance on the target or the person done by a group of people or by the individual person. Amongst the stalking, cyber stalking is one type of act where it is included in a cyber crime in which a person is being followed continuously by another person or group of several persons who are following them in the forms of electronic media or in the form of electronic means, and they harass the victim. We can also say that the goal of stalking is to observe or monitor each victim's action and to get the essential information about the victim for further use, such as threatening the victim or harassing the victim. Next, question number 3 is which of the following refers to stealing one's idea or invention of others and use it for their own benefits? Options are first piracy, second plagiarism, third intellectual property rights, and fourth all of the above. And the answer of this question is option number 4, all of the above. Because piracy, plagiarism, and intellectual property rights are concepts which deals with the stealing of ideas or the invention of others. This stealing is done with the respect to get the profit. So this all the three options are accurate. Hence the option number 4, that is all of the above, is chosen. Question number 4 is which of the following refers to exploring the appropriate ethical behavior related to the online environment and digital platform? Option number 1 is cyber safety, option number 2 is cyber ethics, option number 3 is cyber law, option number 4 is cyber security. And the correct option is cyber ethics because it refers to exploring the appropriate ethical behaviors which are related to the online environments and digital media platforms. Next question is fifth number. Which one of the following is actually considered as the first computer virus? Options are first one is Caesar, second one is Blaster, third one is Creeper, and fourth one is both A and C. And the correct answer is option number 3, that is Creeper. Usually considered first computer virus is Creepers because it is first virus which replicates itself or it clone itself and spread from one system to another, which was created by Bob Thomas at BBN in 1971 as an experimental computer program. Question number 6 is code red is a type of. Options are first an antivirus program, second a photo editing software, third a computer virus, fourth a video editing software. And the correct answer is option number 3, that is a computer virus. It is a type of computer virus which was first discovered on 15 July in 2001 because it attacked the various servers of Microsoft, and in next couple of days it almost infected 3 lakh servers. Next question is in Wi-Fi security, which of the following protocol is more used? Option number 1 WPA, option number 2 WPA2, option number 3 WPS, option number 4 both A and C. And the correct option is option number 2, that is WPA2, because WPA2 is one of the most widely used protocol as it offers more secure connection rather than WPA. It is also known as upgraded version of WPA protocol. So, which is the most used protocol is WPA2 in computer system for Wi-Fi security. Next is question number 8. Which of the following statement is correct about the firewall? Statement number 1. It is a device installed at the boundary of a company to prevent unauthorized physical access. Statement number 2. It is a device installed at the boundary of an incorporate to protect it against the unauthorized access. Statement number 3. It is kind of wall built to prevent files from damaging the corporate. And option number 4 is none of the above. And the correct answer is statement number 2, that it is a device installed at the boundary of an air corporate to protect it against the unauthorized access. Because a firewall is a type of either software or hardware which can be fitted at the boundaries of an corporate to filter the data which is coming each and every packet from a network or internet. It is considered as device installed at the boundary of an incorporate to prevent the unauthorized access. Sometimes it is also referred to as first line of defense against viruses, unauthorized access, malware, that is malicious software, and etc. Question number 9. Which of the following is considered as the world's first antivirus program? Option 1 is CrPC, option 2 is Stinkcode, option 3 is Ray Tomlinson, and option number 4 is Ripper. So the correct answer is Ripper. That is option number 4. As we have earlier discussed that first known virus was CrPC, so to detect this virus or to avoid this virus, Ripper is an antivirus which was first antivirus of the world or program or software which can detect the copies of CrPC, that is world's first man-made computer virus, and could delete it all its way. Last question of today's MCQ video is question number 10. The web application like banking websites should ask its user to log in again after some specific period of time. Let's say the time period will be of 30 minutes. It can be considered as an example of which cybersecurity principle. First one, compromise recording. Second one, psychological acceptability. Third one, complete mediation. And fourth one, none of the above. And the correct answer is option number 3, that is complete mediation. Complete mediation is a principle of cybersecurity which talks about its requirement to all the access that must be checked to ensure that they are genuinely allowed. Means the person who has entered the website is the only person who is working over it. So the example mentioned in the question is an example of complete mediation principle of cybersecurity. With this, I hope all of these 10 questions were helpful for you, and please do subscribe our channel for more of such videos related to forensic science, cybersecurity, and other aspects of legal cybersecurity and forensic science aspects. Thank you, and keep watching our channel for such useful videos.